I'm Russ Sadikoff.
And I'm Ronnie Cope, and we have a new listing we'd like to share with you.
1309 Bottlebrush Lane is a highly desirable townhome situated in the Peppertree Villas, right off of Blossom Hill and Meridian Avenue in San Jose.
It has a great open floor plan, combining the kitchen and living areas. Both bedrooms are downstairs, with the master looking out to a beautiful flower-filled courtyard.
Definitely, there's also a loft upstairs which you can use as an office or a hobby room.
Come on and check it out.
Thank you so much for touring with us today. When you visit in person, make sure to check out the community swimming pool with a barbecue area as well as the clubhouse. Perfect for hot summer weathers and family get-togethers.
This one won't last long, so book your tour today at 1309bottlebrush.com. We'll see you soon.
Look forward to seeing you.